Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a wall rack making from newspaper, only with newspaper. So it's a based out of waste craft. I am Debangana, you are watching Crafting with Debangana. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. To making this wall rack, you can follow two methods. I will show you one by one. For method 1, make a newspaper roll first from half of the newspaper. The size is crucial here. You have to maintain the size. Then attach two rolls together and make 10 number of this type of long roll. Keep them together and use the glue in the joint portion like this way. Don't use the glue for whole paper roll, whole length of paper roll. Just do it for a part and keep it aside for drying. After drying, you take the measurement of 3.5 inch and mark them on the paper. 3.5 inch will be one side of your hexagonal rack. Well, I am showing you. Make 5 marks like this. See the mark and then put a scale here and press hard, then try to fold the paper. It will not so easy. I mean, you have some strength to fold these paper rolls. Okay, repeat the same procedure for remaining 5 mark. Then fold whole thing and try to give it a hexagonal shape. It may take some time. If you fix whole length by glue, then you cannot fold the whole thing in this way. So don't fix the whole length. Okay, now when you get the shape, now you fix all the thing with the glue. Use glue in every joint portion of this rack. Use a strong glue here. I am using Fevicol. You may use another glue also, but that should be a strong glue. Okay, when you got the rack, then color it and it's ready. Now time for method 2. For method 2 also, I am making a newspaper roll. Same way. Okay. And fix the side with glue. This time cut the roll and the length of each roll will be 3.5 inch. That is the length of one side of hexagonal box. Prepare 10 of this and fix them with glue. Then you have to make the side equal. For that, draw a line first and cut through the line. See, Now you have got a plain surface at the side. Okay, then use the glue and attach another roll to one side, not both the side, just attach it to one side. Make 6 sides of the hexagon and attach all them with glue. It's ready now. Now you color this and your hexagonal box is ready. Now you arrange this box as you like and your wall rack is ready. So guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.